And communication literacy, go, go, go. Hi team, this is Chris Abraham from GOHacademy. In this video, we're going to look at some concepts for teachers taking the Communication Literacy MTEL 1 reading and writing exams. This is for you if you've been struggling with these exams. Use this content to help you get better at the test and pass. And if you like it, give it a big thumbs up. Take a moment, read the question, give you 1 minute. Think about author's purpose and point of view. Tell me when you read it on your own go. Just curious, when you read this over, would you agree that this was sort of a longer question, long, sort of wordy? Maybe you felt a certain amount of pressure. And long, wordy, seeing a question you've never seen before. You had to go real fast, and maybe you don't do real fast. Great, real fast. So what I want to try and do is I want to focus on the main idea first. And I think we can get the main idea looking at the first couple lines. In fact, I think we can get the main idea looking at just the first line and almost erase all this other stuff. So let's just take a moment now. And I just want you to read the first line 3 times. Tell me when you read the first line, Justin, Heather, Lily. Tell me when you read it 3 times. Okay, now, see how I eliminated a lot of the language there? Now, out of this first phrase, it's really just the first phrase here. What is the main idea? Is it important to know this author's name? No. Is it important to have read this play? No. Would you agree that this is the important piece of information is that it's a new play? This is about a new play. Let's just say that's all we know is that it's a new play. This is about a new play. Is that fair? 99.9% of all new plays that you've been in or you've heard about or you've had a friend do or something like that, or you've been, or anything, right? 99.9% of them, right, will never ever appear in a news magazine, right? Is that true? Unless this is Alexander Hamilton, it will never appear in like the Wall Street Journal. 99.9% of all new plays will never appear in a financial newspaper, unless it's Hamilton. 99.9% will never appear in a sports magazine. True or false? Based on what we know of the main idea. 99.9% of all new plays, if they make the paper, it's going to be in a local weekly newspaper. Thumbs up? Who got this? And we got to D, or we could get to D by identifying the main idea, right? You know what I mean? Having that as our focus to answer this question, it makes it, it's not always going to be this easy. This is from a different test. I'm just trying to get at here with these author's purpose and point of view questions. If you can know the main idea, that might help you eliminate a bunch of the choices. Does that make sense? So with these authors' purpose and point of view, main idea is still really important. And it helps us kind of cut through some of the language that might be confusing. All right, team, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. And if you need help on your communication literacy exams, whether it's reading or writing or both, check out a GOHacademy workshop at GOHacademy.com. I'm sure you'll find them very helpful. Everyone have a great day. Take care, team. Bye-bye.